In this video, we'll show you how to replace your charcoal filter in just a few quick and easy steps. There are no special tools needed for this quick and simple installation. Over-the-range microwaves have charcoal filters that should be replaced every 6 months to ensure the appliance is working as efficiently as possible. To replace the charcoal filter for a microwave where the grill is located behind the oven door and there is a door to the filter compartment, first, disconnect the power by turning off the circuit breaker or unplugging the appliance. Then open the microwave door. Now push down on the 2 buttons on top of the filter door. Now you have access to the old filter. Simply remove the old filter and replace with the new filter. Note that some filters may fit loosely in the filter compartment. This is normal and will not affect the performance of your appliance. Shut the filter door, restore power to the microwave, and you have successfully completed installation. For genuine replacement parts, log on to geapplianceparts.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.